Hey there! Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get a modded version of WGT Golf for iOS and Android. So this is super cool. So let me just show you guys. As you can see, this is what we have. But when we press this button, we can actually add free credit. So I'm going to turn it up all the way, guys. So now it should start to go up. So let's see what happens to our WGT Golf account. And then I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So as you can see, guys, this is the resources, and oh my gosh, look at that. So it actually works. So I'm going to show you in this video how to download the WGT Golf modded version for your personal device so you can get rich as well. So you're probably like, what the heck, how do I do this? Well, what you need to do is go to this website, tweakmod.com, and look for WGT Golf. So this is the modded version, obviously, so go ahead and press install. And before it starts installing, there's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. Basically, what you have to do is download 2 apps, follow the instructions. They're 100% for free from official App Store, and then the WGT Golf mod will be installed. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So yeah, you can see right here, it is fully working, guys. So this is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it for your device. So as you can see, guys, it's going to load up and it's going to say missing files, additional files are required for WGT Golf. So these are the missing files. They're like games. So what you have to do is download 2 of them. So as you can see, guys, we got Travel Town, which says download and reach level 9. So we just need to press continue. It'll take us to the App Store. We're going to download it and play it until we're level 9. So this is just an example one, guys. You don't have to do it, but it's just like a game. So I would just play through this until I reached level 9. So that's pretty easy, guys. But yeah, just make sure you do 2 of the apps. You're going to be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, this is actually working, guys. So be sure to try it out. Just make sure you do 2 of the apps. You can see Swagbucks says install, register, down Monopoly Go, and complete your first event. So yeah, you can see the video right here. So it's pretty cool. But that's how to get WGT Golf free money on this game, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself, guys, and get the word out. This actually works, guys. So it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And also, if we go to the search bar and put in WGT, you can see you don't actually need the game installed to do this, by the way, but you can see it's very, very expensive. So if you guys want to pay for it, that's up to you. But personally, I'm not really about that. So I refuse to pay, and I'm going to get a modded version instead. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. This is super insane, and it totally works. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any problems, guys, be sure to try it out for yourself. Get the word out. But yeah, I mean, money in WGT Golf is nothing to complain about, bro, as you can see. So that is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, bro. If you like WGT Golf, free money on WGT Golf. That's not for the faint of heart. So get the word out, guys. I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel and everything. So yeah, peace out, my crew. Hope you enjoyed. Ooh.